Hi everyone, welcome to Masumi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English sentences with animation. Let's get started.
I wash the vegetables before cooking. I wash the vegetables before cooking.
I chop the onion into small pieces. I chop the onion into small pieces.
I heat the oil in the pan. I heat the oil in the pan.
I boil the pasta in hot water. I boil the pasta in hot water.
I add salt and spices to the food. I add salt and spices to the food.
I taste the food to check if it is ready. I taste the food to check if it is ready.
I take the bread out of the oven. I take the bread out of the oven.
I put the food in a bowl to serve. I put the food in a bowl to serve.
I set the table for dinner. I set the table for dinner.
The food is ready. Let's eat. The food is ready. Let's eat.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.